Chiliz holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, once again, I'm present with another urgent news of the Chiliz coin. What's going on this time in the Chiliz? What's the latest update in this video? I will share with all of you, my friends. So just keep watching this video for more and better understanding, my friends. So let's start the video, friends. But before starting this video, you have to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, the currently latest price of the Chiliz is 0.23 USD dollar. 0.23 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Chiliz. Furthermore, if we talk about the BTC price of the Chiliz, so 0.000719 USD dollar BTC is the currently BTC price of the Chiliz token, my friends. Furthermore, the market keep 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply. Every update is present on the front of your eyes, my friends. Furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price of the Chiliz, so the price of the Chiliz start moving upward, start going upward from the last 60 minutes, but now 24 hours price change open, the Chiliz is negative, last 1 week price change is negative, so only in the last 60 minutes the price of the Chiliz start pumping, and the previous change is open, the Chiliz is going negative, my friends. Anyways, this time I'm feeling very good about Chiliz, my friends. If someone asks me questions about Chiliz, that how do you feel today about Chiliz, so my answer is that I'm feeling very good. You can see in the previous time completely fast down in the previous time, but now from yesterday, my friends, the price start moving upward, and I believe that they will continue this pump for a long time. They will give us good amount of profit in the last half of this month, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Chiliz? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.